Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting your PC on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Recovery. Here you can select Reset PC. You can then choose to keep your files, apps and settings, or to remove everything. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.